We're actually implementing customers as we speak and going live as we speak, so it's not a George Jetson kind of scenario.
Coming up, the new local tech that could deliver everything, even a cup of coffee, right to your door. Well, could your next online shopping splurge be delivered by a drone instead of a person? A local company says the idea is closer to reality than you might think. They're showing off some of their newest products right now at the Canadian International Auto Show. Nick Boisvert has more on the plans and what it'll take to bring them to life.
It looks like a small helicopter, and this is a very basic two-stroke gasoline engine.
They call it the Condor, and like the bird, this drone can cover huge distances in a single journey. We're talking 200 kilometers, and all of it with some serious cargo on board.
You just simply open it with the latches on the door, and inside you can see we could fit about 20 cubic feet and up to 400 pounds of cargo.
The Condor is one of the newest offerings from Drone Delivery Canada, a local company with ambitions to shake up and, yes, disrupt the way almost anything can be delivered.
We're actually implementing customers as we speak and going live as we speak, so it's not a George Jetson kind of scenario.
The company mostly shuttles cargo in rural areas and for logistics companies in places like Milton and Vaughan. In those settings, the drones land in designated areas with trained operators on the ground. But something more revolutionary could be on the way. Right now, Transport Canada doesn't allow delivery drones in urban areas like downtown Toronto, but people in the industry expect that to change and for these skies to look a little different in just a few years. Few companies have been promoting that idea as enthusiastically as Amazon, which has already delivered products straight to customers in limited cases.
I do see us being able to, get a coffee or a pizza delivered by drone to our backyard.
Experts say the technology to do that safely already exists, and that tweaks to aviation rules are the last major hurdle.
When there's a lot of momentum behind it, when there's a lot of need for it, I think things can move fairly quickly.
Beyond online shopping, Drone Delivery Canada says its fleet could carry medical supplies or cargo to oil rigs. All of it much faster than any truck or helicopter. Nick Boisvert, CBC News, Toronto.